opposed this decision, has opposed the opening of liquor shops while shops are selling non-essentials are shut. Traders say that the government is indulging in favoritism and forcing neighborhood shops to shut shop while allowing shops selling alcohol and liquor to open despite the lockdown. So traders' body there has come out to make it very clear that they're against the government's decision. Anisha is joining us live from Daryaganj in Delhi. Anisha, very interesting reaction from a traders' body which has said that you're not allowing non-essential shops to open, but you're allowing liquor shops to open. And already there is a bit of a crisis that's playing out because huge crowds are gathering there. It's very difficult to maintain social distancing and it's very difficult to man every single liquor shop now.
Well, yes, Akshita, in Delhi, only about 130 liquor shops, all of which are government-owned, have been opened. And if you can see behind me, social distancing has completely gone for a toss. People are buying 3, 4, 5 bottles, filling up their bags, picking up crates and going. If I can ask my cameraman Ajay to pan to the other side as well, you can see there is a huge crowd of people which is just waiting. While people are wearing masks, nobody seems to be maintaining social distancing. And in fact, orders are being shouted out by people who are on the other side of the road. So people have come in groups also to just get more and more alcohol. But as we've just mentioned, the Confederation of Indian Traders has raised an objection. They have said that why is it that traders are not allowed to operate? Why is it that shops are not allowed to open when the thekas have opened? And this is something that the various state governments as well as the central government have taken a very conscious decision about, because liquor shops, as you can very well see, are something that earns a lot of revenue for every state government. So liquor shops was something that a lot of the state governments had also pushed for. And if I can just show you around here, considering how much alcohol people are buying, how many people are standing in line, these are local people. They've come from various other parts of Delhi. Everybody has come in, and it's 10 a.m. right now, but the line has been here since 8 a.m. The shop opened at 9 a.m. and it has been a very conscious decision on the part of the government, both state and centre, to open these liquor shops because people are very, very keen on buying alcohol. You can see behind around me, people are arguing about who gets the right to get to the store first, who gets to go. People are shouting out their orders, and it is something that is an indication of exactly how people in the country are going to react. Liquor is something that they've been waiting for. A lot of people here have told us कि हम 40 दिन से wait कर रहे हैं, पिएंगे नहीं, घर में बंद बैठे हैं, कुछ तो शांति मिलेगी if we get some alcohol. And that is the attitude, and that is why the governments at all levels have decided to reopen the liquor stores, even though the traders are very upset. That is the economy only dependent on the tipplers. Back to you.
This is unbelievable what you're showing us, Anisha. There are people with cartons, there are people with sacks who are filling it up with bottles. They've been waiting there for 2 hours, and we're talking about these kind of crowds which have gathered just within 1 hour of the shop opening. What is the situation going to be like towards the rest of the day is still, of course, something that we'll have to wait and watch, but it looks like it's going to be huge crowding. Anisha, do you see any police officials there trying to enforce social distancing, any authorities at all trying to ensure that, the norms are followed, that are maintained?
Well, Akshita, I'm showing you the visuals right now. There are about half a dozen policemen here with dandas. Every 2 minutes, they are asking people to shift back. They're asking people not to crowd. But as you can see very clearly, nobody is actually listening to them. The police personnel have been here since 7 a.m. We spoke to some of them as well. They're saying people are just not listening to us. As you can see, the PCR van is also here. They're asking people to shift back, to maintain social distancing. But very obviously, people are not ready to listen. Let's just, if you can see in the distance, if you can see the visuals, people are even arguing with the police personnel here. And let's try and speak to some of these people. Bhai sahab, kahan se aaye ho?
मैडम यहाँ पे चावड़िया से।
कितनी देर से लाइन में खड़े हो?
मैडम हो गया, आधा घंटा हो गया।
आधा घंटा से लाइन में खड़े हो। क्या लेने आए हो और कितने बोतल लेके जाओगे?
1 बोतल।
1 बोतल। तो ये डिस्टेंस क्यों नहीं मेंटेन कर रहे?
मैम डिस्टेंस कर रहे हैं, मेरे प्रॉब्लम ये लगता है ज़्यादा हो रहा है, ज़्यादा हो रही है इसके अंदर दिक्कत है।
Akshita, as you can see here, There are so many people. Remember, if you can see the visuals, I'm going to ask Ajay to sort of zoom out and pan to you. This line is more than a kilometer long on both sides. This shop is in the middle of the Daryaganj road, and on both sides, till Delhi Gate as well as towards Golcha, which is more than a kilometer, the line is all through. Back to you.
Getting us that detailed ground report. It's very clear that the states in the centre believe now is the time to open liquor shops, considering, of course, the loss of revenue also to several states. But have they really thought this through? Look at the kind of crowds that have gathered on your screens there. And in most cases, as Anisha was telling us, no social distancing being maintained. Crowds have been gathered from 8 a.m. in the morning. The shops open at 9. They've been waiting there with cartons and sacks, trying to fill them up with bottles after a 40-day lockdown. There's also been a big political war.